I decided to try to film today. I'm trying to get something set up in my room, but it's been really hard because he's a mama's boy. He just loves being on mama. Hi, Miles. Did you fart? Did you fart? Nasty. Nasty boy. Nasty boy. You guys, my room was a disgusting mess for so long. There was clean clothes everywhere. It's hard to get anything done with Miles because he just wants to be on me all the time or near me, or I have to be in front of him. He has to be able to see me because if not, then he throws a tantrum. How handsome. I'll try to insert a clip of like what my room looked like yesterday. I just cleaned it up. Anyways, so my mom decided she wanted to open a business and leave me and my two other sisters in charge. So we've been working on getting started with the business. My little sister really wanted to make candles, so she's working on that, making some candles from scratch. And I want to knit stuff, but honestly, like, it hurts my fingers and I'm still learning, so we'll see about that. But my other idea was to make stickers. So we got stuff. You got a Cricut and a printer, an Epson printer. Still working on some design for the stickers, and I'm waiting on my sticker paper to come in, but I want to try to set it up at least so that I have it ready. And it's been really hard to do any of that because my house was a disgusting mess, including my room. So the boys and I were working on cleaning up the house yesterday. I was trying to clean while Miles was asleep, but he only slept for like 30 minutes, woke up, and as soon as he saw me, he would start crying. So that was hard. So I had 2 baskets of laundry sitting on my bed for the rest of the day after I got the rest of the room clean. And when my husband came home last night from work, I was able to put it away. But now I want to try to get these set up. The printer I already set up when we got it because we needed to use it. But I want to set up the Cricut. And my mom's been making Christmas decorations. Susie got him some toys yesterday and he's just loving them. Miles, I like your watch, baby. It's such a big watch. He's so cute. So my mom's been making Christmas decorations. She has a couple wreaths that she's made, and then she has this big centerpiece for a table that she's made that's available for sale on our Facebook page, California Sisters. Put a link to it on the description box. But I'm gonna try to get this opened up and set up. Hello, kitties. So that didn't last very long. Miles. You You know you could watch it from the bed too. You're too close now. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to get this downloaded with Miles in my arms. And I'll be back in a little bit. Here. Miles, I just set you down. See what I mean? I can't do anything. And I'm all home alone. The boys are at school and my husband's working. Let's keep going. Ooh, fancy. Okay, now I need paper. I'll be back. So I just remembered that I moved the printer into my room and the paper's right in front of me. Okay, doing things one-handed because motherhood. So I don't have printer paper, but I have regular paper if I can get it out. Okay, regular paper. There's a plastic film that you put on, that it comes with to protect it because it's a little sticky. So you gotta keep that. And then you just put the paper, line it up to the corner. Whoops, it's a little sticky. This is so much harder one-handed. All right, line it up to the corner over here. No. All right, that's the best I can do right now with one hand. It's not straight, but it'll do. So put this in. And then this button starts blinking so I can feed it, so press it. And then the Cricut cut button starts blinking, so we're gonna press that. I think I failed already because I think it's looking for it. And I was supposed to print it on there. Hey, hey. Why are you sad? Huh? I'm a failure. Guys, it says test cut complete, but it didn't cut anything. Because I didn't put an image on there. Okay, so then it starts blinking to, where is it at? Take the paper out. That's what I'm gonna do. Peel back and voila, there's nothing. There's nothing because I forgot to put the image on there. Look, isn't that a fabulous cut? Okay, let's try this again. Let me put that thing back on here. Okay, it's not perfect, but I need to get it out of the way. Let me try to print this image first and then do the cut, and then I'll show you guys. Okay guys, I just redid it, so I'm reprinting an image. I'm printing it out right now. So this is just a test image here. And I'm gonna put this on the mat and have it cut it out. I realize I need a bigger desk now. And Miles is whining in the background because he wants me to pick him up. But life is hard for a baby, especially a quarantine baby. He's just gonna have to wait a little bit while I do this. I think he's finally calmed down. He's watching the movie. I have Wally playing for him. Not that he really watches TV or anything, but I figured if I'm gonna try to get things done, I might as well play something for him. All right, so I am pressing the cut. So right now it's just measuring everything and calibrating and stuff. That black border that's there, that's what it uses to like figure out where to cut. Nothing happened. I'm doing something wrong, guys. Stop it. There's nothing cut on here. Look at it. I failed again. Okay, I have to figure this out while that one is whining, and then damn cats won't leave the Cricut alone. So let me figure this out. And here comes another one. Okay, I gotta go. So it's doing another test run. Look at her. It's doing another test run right now for the fourth time because I forgot to lower the damn blade. This thing, do you see this? This thing was sticking up, okay? That's the damn blade. I didn't know you had to open this, slide it down, and then close it back up. So the whole time that my 4 freaking tests that I did was this thing was sticking up the whole time. Oh my God, talk about failing. I didn't know that you need to do that. Oh, that's way off. Do you see that? Do you see that? I'm just trying to calibrate it right now because it's not cutting where it should be cutting. This takes a long time. This one keeps trying to play with a Cricut. This one keeps trying to pull out the damn mat, and when I turn away from the mat, he's trying to grab these papers. It's getting warm in here. This thing is not cutting the way that it should be cutting. So I have to keep trying to calibrate it. It's doing it. It did it. Look at that. So perfect. Well, it's not perfect, but it's the closest thing to perfect. To be fair, my paper wasn't aligned perfectly, so. Ta-da! It's a square. It's a lot better than the first time. Okay, I'm gonna put this away for now because I'm hungry and Miles is getting fussy. You guys, I can't do this. I feel that life. Did it. Okay. And I'm gonna play with it around. I'm gonna play around with it later. But as you can see, King Miles is calling, so I gotta go. He just poked himself in the eye. All right, bye.